Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module we are starting our last big topic for the semester, and that topic is formal commands. This is a little bit more of an advanced topic. Usually in a regular Spanish one, you do not see this topic, but this is an important topic for healthcare Spanish because formal commands are what you're going to use to give instructions to patients. Like if you're going to tell your patient, sit here, wait here, give me your arm to take blood, things like that. All of those instructions that you're giving are going to be formed with the formal commands. It's a little bit complicated, so please give yourself extra time this module. Make sure you really look through all of the readings, resources, and please, please, please reach out to me if you have questions. Because again, this is a little bit of a trickier topic. Even if you grew up speaking Spanish at home, you're probably used to the informal commands, so make sure that we're using the formal ones and not the informal. Also, big heads up, Google Translate only gives you the informal commands. So if you type one of these into Google Translate to try to get the command, it's going to give you the wrong one. It just does not form the formal command. So please read the readings, follow the formula. There's like a really specific formula. Follow that formula and make sure you check the list of irregulars because there's a list of irregulars there. Those we kind of just have to memorize. So just like print out that list or keep it open, have it with you when you do the quiz because those we just kind of have to like learn. Okay, so again, start early. Let me know if you have questions. We have the information about the final project. Now, once you've learned the formal commands, you can start working on the final project. You must have formal commands in the final project, so make sure you understand all of this first. For the assignments, we have a homework packet. We have our last discussion board, so make sure you get your first post in by July 18th. And then comments to your classmates by July 20th. And then speaking assignment, well, you'll be giving the commands, again, using that formal command formula and the quiz like always. After this, we only have one more module, and then we're on to the final project. So let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.